I received this digital wrist blood pressure monitor from CareTouch, and it's really nice. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, which is definitely a plus, as well as this carrying case, and it is so easy to use. Now, they recommend you taking off any jewelry or wristwatches off your left hand. Left hand is closest to your heart, and you're going to open this cuff. You're then going to put it on your wrist with it facing up, and then you make it nice and snug, and then you close it with the Velcro. This is for sizes 5.5 inches to 8.5 inch wrist sizes. And then you're supposed to rest for 5 minutes before taking this test. It also checks for your irregular heartbeat too. And another plus is it can hold memory of your last 60 digital readings. And you can even have that for 2 different people. So that's 120 digital readings that it will hold in memory. That's pretty awesome. And it's also very easy to set the time and date. And now let's begin. They want you to have your feet on the ground and not crossing your legs. And your wrist should be about even to your heart. And you're supposed to relax for 5 minutes. Now, of course, I'm creating this video, so I am talking, but you're not supposed to move or talk. You're supposed to relax and take 5 to 6 deep breaths. So let's begin. And now we're going to hit start. It's done. And now it gave my reading. Let me show you close up so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Now, of course, I was talking, so it's going to be slightly elevated, but it gives you the 140 over 86, and my pulse was 78. It shows you the time, and because I was talking before, it shows that I'm not in the normal range. But this is very good for you to get a good estimate on how much your blood pressure is working. And this is where you click to set the time, and this is to access the memory. So earlier was 138 over 80. This is a very useful tool to check your blood pressure every day. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.